All right. Um, so in the last 2 weeks, what I thought was the most interesting thing is the lectures from this week about the action potential. Granted, learned about it quite a few times, but it's all connected. It's all very. It's a good thing to relearn. I mean, right now I'm doing neurobiology, so this is just sort of the same connection here. Because in that class we've also just learned about the action potential, so we had a very um, big test about that, and this is about it's exactly the same as this week. So it's all at once. It was all the studying for the same exam that occurred this week was the work in this class. So it's all overlaps, and I think, as I've said before, um, it's very convenient, when it overlaps because then it's sort of the work is united, the studying is united. It's less individual, separate things. Neurons, are always extremely interesting. The process is extremely interesting. The action potential is that's like it's that, and then the crossing of the neurotransmitter. That's the mind. That's all of it. So this the physical again, the motion in the action potential, and then the of the one neurotransmitter going to the next, the dendrite of the next neuron. That is the mind. That's all of it. That's the whole. Hair's terrible. That's the whole thing. That is the self. That's the processing of the brain. Of course, what is the brain? All the different structures, but all of it is the firing of neurons. The organization is just what neurons are firing, and activating what of the neurons. All of it. It's just that. That's it. That's everything. That is the whole of the being. That's the whole of the mind. That's the whole of everything we've ever bothered to care about per se, right? All of it is that. So you can think of then all of this existence as the motion of sodium, potassium, and then calcium, in the vesicles, or to start the vesicles, and then the neurotransmitters, and then all of that. The motion of those atoms and molecules, that is all of your understanding of everything. That is all of the you, that is all of everyone else. That is the whole of it. Is this motion, this atomic motion, that is, you know, the thing that we care about. What else is there? In literal, what else is there in the world that can meaningfully matter as much as that? Fundamentally nothing, right? There it is. That's everything that exists. Um, that's the pure reality of it. All of it is just that atomic motion. It's the only thing that can give any meaning, to an otherwise silent world.